Updating your profile details on Spectrum Mobile is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the eShrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account or Profile section in the main menu. Click on it to access your profile settings. Step 3. Edit your information. In the profile settings, find the option to edit your personal information. This may include your name, address, email, and phone number. Click on the Edit button next to the information you wish to update. Step 4. Save changes. After making the necessary changes, ensure you save your updates. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your changes. Step 5. Log out and verify. Once you have saved your changes, log out of your account. Then, log back in to verify that your profile details have been updated correctly. By following these steps, you can easily keep your profile details up to date on Spectrum Mobile.